Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter Y. It looks like this in capital, a big Y. And in small letter, it's a little y. To write the capital letter Y, follow simple steps. 1. Start at the top, just below the line. 2. Draw a diagonal line slanting from the top left to the bottom right and touch the second line. 3. Draw another diagonal line from the top right to the bottom left and meet the first line at the middle. 4. Continue and draw a straight line downward and touch the third line. 5. Lift the pencil. To write the small letter Y. 1. Start at the top, just below the second line. Draw a diagonal line from the top left to the bottom right and touch the third line. 2. Then, draw another diagonal line from the top right to the bottom left, crossing the first line at the center. 3. At the bottom of this line, add a small curved tail curving back up to the left and touch the fourth line. 4. Lift the pencil. Great! You have successfully learned how to write alphabet Y, both in small and capital letters. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!